What is your favorite? What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. It's calming and reminds me of the sky. What is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is dog. They are loyal and friendly. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. It's delicious and you can have many toppings. What is your favorite season? My favorite season is summer. The weather is warm and you can go to the beach. What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is The Lion King. It's a great story with beautiful animation. What's your favorite flower? My favorite flower is rose. It smells nice and looks beautiful. What's your favorite sport? My favorite sport is soccer. It's exciting and fun to play with friends. What's your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is apple. It is sweet and healthy. What's your favorite vegetable? My favorite vegetable is carrot. It is crunchy and good for your eyes. What's your favorite drink? My favorite drink is orange juice. It's refreshing and full of vitamins. What's your favorite ice cream flavor? My favorite ice cream flavor is chocolate. It's sweet and comforting. What's your favorite TV show? My favorite TV show is Friends. It's funny and has great characters. What's your favorite game? My favorite game is chess. It's challenging and strategic. What's your favorite toy? My favorite toy is Lego. You can build anything with it. What's your favorite car? My favorite car is Tesla. It's electric and innovative. What's your favorite hobby? My favorite hobby is reading. It's relaxing and informative. What's your favorite place to visit? My favorite place to visit is Paris. It's romantic and full of culture. What's your favorite subject in school? My favorite subject in school is math. It's logical and rewarding. What's your favorite dessert? My favorite dessert is cheesecake. It's creamy and delicious. What's your favorite music genre? My favorite music genre is pop. It's catchy and fun to listen to. What's your favorite outdoor activity? My favorite outdoor activity is hiking. It's adventurous and you get to see nature. What's your favorite indoor activity? My favorite indoor activity is playing video games. It's entertaining and challenging. What's your favorite clothing brand? My favorite clothing brand is Nike. It's stylish and comfortable. What's your favorite animal at the zoo? My favorite animal at the zoo is panda. It is cute and playful. What's your favorite type of weather? My favorite type of weather is sunny. It's bright and makes you feel happy. What's your favorite breakfast food? My favorite breakfast food is pancake. It is fluffy and tasty. What's your favorite thing to do on the weekend? My favorite thing to do on the weekend is relaxing. It's a good time to unwind and recharge. What's your favorite app on your phone? My favorite app on my phone is Instagram. It's fun to share and see photos. What's your favorite pizza topping? My favorite pizza topping is mushroom. It's delicious and flavorful. What's your favorite holiday destination? My favorite holiday destination is Hawaii. It's beautiful and has great beaches. What's your favorite superhero? My favorite superhero is Spider-Man. He's cool and relatable. What's your favorite day of the week? My favorite day of week is Friday. It's the end of the work week and the start of the weekend. What's your favorite thing about summer? My favorite thing about summer is the beach. It's fun to swim and sunbathe. What's your favorite thing about winter? My favorite thing about winter is snow. It's fun to play in and looks beautiful. What's your favorite way to relax? My favorite way to relax is listening to music. It's calming and enjoyable. What's your favorite thing about spring? My favorite thing about spring is blooming of flowers. It's colorful and refreshing. What's your favorite thing about fall? My favorite thing about fall is the leaves changing color. It's beautiful and serene. What's your favorite type of art? My favorite type of art is painting. It's expressive and creative. What's your favorite board game? My favorite board game is Monopoly. It's fun and strategic. What's your favorite place to eat? My favorite place to eat is Italian restaurant. The foods are delicious and comforting. What's your favorite type of dance? My favorite type of dance is hip-hop. It's energetic and fun. What's your favorite type of cake? My favorite type of cake is chocolate cake. It's rich and sweet. What's your favorite time of day? My favorite time of day is morning. It's fresh and full of possibilities. What's your favorite snack? My favorite snack is chips. They are crunchy and salty. What's your favorite thing to do with friends? My favorite thing to do with friends is to hang out and talk. It's enjoyable and relaxing. What's your favorite way to exercise? My favorite way to exercise is running. It's invigorating and good for health. What's your favorite smell? My favorite smell is freshly baked cookies. It's warm and inviting. What's your favorite thing to cook? My favorite thing to cook is pasta. It's easy to make and versatile. What's your favorite family tradition? My favorite family tradition is holiday dinner. It's a time for family and good food. What's your favorite fast food? My favorite fast food is burger. It is quick and satisfying. What's your favorite thing to do in the morning? My favorite thing to do in the morning is to drink coffee. It's refreshing and wakes you up. What's your favorite thing to do at night? My favorite thing to do at night is watching movies. It's relaxing and entertaining. What's your favorite museum? My favorite museum is the Louvre. It has amazing art and history. What's your favorite mobile game? My favorite mobile game is Candy Crush. It's addictive and fun. What's your favorite way to spend a rainy day? My favorite way to spend a rainy day is reading a book. It's cozy and relaxing. What's your favorite beach activity? My favorite beach activity is swimming. It's refreshing and fun. What's your favorite way to travel? My favorite way to travel is by plane. It's fast and exciting. What's your favorite theme park? My favorite theme park is Disneyland. It's magical and fun for all ages. What's your favorite way to spend a lazy day? My favorite way to spend a lazy day is watching TV. It's easy and entertaining. What's your favorite place to shop? My favorite place to shop is the mall. There are many stores and choices. What's your favorite thing about school? My favorite thing about school is seeing friends. It's social and enjoyable. What's your favorite piece of clothing? My favorite piece of clothing is jeans. They are comfortable and versatile. What's your favorite breakfast drink? My favorite breakfast drink is milk. It's healthy and goes well with many foods. What's your favorite way to celebrate your birthday? My favorite way to celebrate my birthday is to have a party. It's fun and festive. What's your favorite type of cookie? My favorite type of cookie is chocolate chip. They are classic and delicious. What's your favorite type of pie? My favorite type of pie is apple pie. It's sweet and comforting. What's your favorite sport to watch? My favorite sport to watch is basketball. It's fast-paced and exciting. What's your favorite restaurant? My favorite restaurant is sushi restaurant. The food is fresh and delicious. What's your favorite type of music instrument? My favorite type of music instrument is guitar. It's versatile and sounds great. What's your favorite memory? My favorite memory is family vacations. They are fun and exciting experiences. What's your favorite type of cheese? My favorite type of cheese is cheddar. It's sharp and tasty. What's your favorite carnival ride? My favorite carnival ride is Ferris wheel. It's gentle and offers great views. What's your favorite way to spend time alone? My favorite way to spend time alone is reading. It's peaceful and enjoyable. What's your favorite TV character? My favorite TV character is Sherlock Holmes. He's clever and intriguing. What's your favorite way to relax after a long day? My favorite way to relax after a long day is taking a bath. It's soothing and calming. What's your favorite flavor of cake? My favorite flavor of cake is vanilla. It's simple and sweet. What's your favorite mobile app? My favorite mobile app is Spotify. It's great for listening to music. What's your favorite thing about your city? My favorite thing about my city is the parks. They are beautiful and relaxing. What's your favorite insect? My favorite insect is butterfly. It is colorful and delicate. What's your favorite wild animal? My favorite wild animal is lion. It is majestic and powerful. What's your favorite thing about your home? My favorite thing about my home is the living room. It's cozy and where the family gathers. What's your favorite way to stay active? My favorite way to stay active is yoga. It's relaxing and good for flexibility. What's your favorite type of soup? My favorite type of soup is tomato soup. It's comforting and tasty. What's your favorite place to study? My favorite place to study is the library. It's quiet and has many resources. What's your favorite thing about your best friend? My favorite thing about my best friend is sense of humor. They always make me laugh and feel happy. What's your favorite magazine? My favorite magazine is National Geographic. It's informative and has amazing photos. What's your favorite online store? My favorite online store is Amazon. It has a wide variety of products and fast delivery. What's your favorite thing to draw? My favorite thing to draw is cartoon characters. They are fun and expressive. What's your favorite room in your house? My favorite room in my house is the kitchen. It's where we cook and gather as a family. What's your favorite piece of technology? My favorite piece of technology is smartphone. It's versatile and keeps me connected with everyone. What's your favorite thing to do with your family? My favorite thing to do with my family is going on picnic. It's fun and we get to spend quality time together. What's your favorite type of tree? My favorite type of tree is oak tree. It's strong and provides great shade. What's your favorite way to help others? My favorite way to help others is volunteering. It's rewarding and makes a positive impact. What's your favorite school activity? My favorite school activity is science experiments. They are fun and educational. What's your favorite type of fish? My favorite type of fish is salmon. It's tasty and healthy. What's your favorite kind of tea? My favorite kind of tea is green tea. It's healthy and refreshing.